Dear students, I hope you all are fine. I'm your English teacher from PMS Boys 5. My name is Tayyiba and today is your video number 4 of class 3. In previous lecture, we studied a unit, An Amazing Dream. We did words meaning and today we will do word sentences. For doing word sentences, you will open your copy and ready a new page with me. You will draw a straight margin line here and write date. But before writing date and drawing margin line, you will sharp your pencil. After writing date and drawing margin line, you will write here WORDS words. After that, you will write 1, 2, 3 by leaving one line. After that, you will draw a straight line and write sentences here after giving one pencil gap. After writing words, sentences and drawing a line and writing 1, 2, 3, you will underline both the headings words and sentences. Now we will write 3 words. First word is red. This word can also be pronounced as read. इस word को red भी पढ़ा जाता है, इसको read भी पढ़ा जाता है. But इसको red हम उस वक्त पढ़ते हैं जब हम past की बात करते हैं, जब हम कोई पुरानी बात कर रहे हैं. लाइक लास्ट नाइट आई रेड अ बुक, तो फिर हम इसको रेड पढ़ेंगे. और अगर हम प्रेजेंट की बात करते हैं आई रीड अ बुक, तो फिर हम इसको रीड पढ़ेंगे. सो दिस वर्ड हैज़ 2 प्रोनाउंसिएशंस, रेड एंड रीड. बोथ आर करेक्ट. सेकेंड वर्ड इज फाउंड. सेकेंड वर्ड इज फाउंड. फाउंड मीन्स ढूंढा. थर्ड वर्ड इज एनिमल. एनिमल मीन्स जानवर. And now we will make sentences for these 3 words. Now first word was read or read. I will read it. You can make first sentence I will read it. मैं इसको पढ़ूँगा. Read mean पढ़ना. I like to read full stop. I like to read, मुझे पढ़ना पसंद है. I read your book. मैंने तुम्हारी बुक पढ़ी. और I read a book. Can you read? These are some sentences. I will read it. I like to read. I read your book. Can you read? Or I read a book. You can make any other sentence if you want to, and you can make it checked by your elders. Your second sentence is found. Second word for sentence is found. I found my book. I found my bag. She found her ring. यानी I found my book, मैंने अपनी बुक ढूंढी. I found my bag, मैंने अपना बैग ढूंढा. She found her ring, उसने अपनी रिंग ढूंढी. Ring means अंगूठी. He found his pencil, उसने अपनी पेंसिल ढूंढी. He found some money, उसे कुछ पैसे मिले या उसने कुछ पैसे ढूंढे. Third word is animal. A lion is an animal. The fox, a fox is a wild animal. Wild कहते हैं जंगली. जंगली animal है fox. Which animal is it? ये कौन सा animal है? Cat is a pet animal. Dog is a pet animal. Pet animal वो होते हैं जिनको हम अपने घर में अपने साथ रखते हैं. Those are called pet animals. Cow is pet animal. Goat is pet animal. आप अगर इसके साथ आ नहीं लगाते, काउ इज़ पेट एनिमल या काउ इज़ आ पेट एनिमल, बोथ आर करेक्ट. इसमें से कोई भी चीज़ गलत नहीं होगी. अगर आप कहते हैं कैट इज़ आ पेट तो भी ठीक है, और कहते हैं काउ इज़ पेट एनिमल तो भी ठीक है. सो इन दिस वे यू विल मेक 3 sentences of your choice, but 3 sentences must be correct. Now you will make 3 sentences of your choice in your copy, and then you will draw an ending line. Like this you will draw an ending line. Now come to next topic, which is singular plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. Singular का मतलब होता है एक, plural का मतलब होता है एक से ज़्यादा. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 5, it can be 10, but it will be more than one. Now singular plurals are called numbers. Singular plurals are called numbers. Why do they called numbers? Because singular is 1 and plural is more than one. You are going to recognize whether it is a singular or a plural. You will count numbers. Like, how many hats are these? It is one hat. And how many hats are these? These are two hats. So this is singular because it is one, and it is plural because these are two. It is one book, so I have written one because it is singular. And here there are three books, which is plural. Here it is one jar, and here there are two jars. So through numbers we are going to find out whether it is a singular or a plural. So that's why these are called numbers. For writing singular plurals we have some rules. First rule is add s to form the plural. प्लूरल बनाने के लिए हम आगे सिर्फ s लगा देते हैं. कोई भी नाउन है, नाउन से आगे हम s लगाएंगे और वो प्लूरल बन जाएगा. लाइक गर्ल, गर्ल्स, बुक, बुक्स, ट्री, ट्रीज. It is the simple form of writing plural. In second form or in second rule, add es to nouns that ends in ch, sh, s, x and o. वो वाले words जिनमें ch, sh, s, x और o आता है end में, उनके आगे हम es लगाएंगे. Like bench, it ends in ch. ch के साथ end होने वाले word के आगे हम es लगाते हैं. sh के आगे es लगाते हैं. x के आगे es, o के आगे es. So in this way you will write singular plural ending with ch, sh, x, s and o. In third rule, for nouns that end in y, वो nouns जिनके end में y आता है उनके लिए y will be changed into ies. y को हटाएंगे और y की जगह ies लिख देंगे. Like candy, candies, puppy, puppies, city, cities. Fourth rule is for nouns that end in y and a vowel before y. अब ऐसे वर्ड्स जिनके एंड में तो y आता है लेकिन उस y से पीछे एक वॉल आ जाता है. लाइक y से पीछे o है, it is o before y, it is e before y and it is also e before y. So we will just put s after toy, monkey and key. Like toy, toys, monkeys and keys. These are 4 rules which you have to remember. Number 1, we will put just s. Number 2, with ch, sh, s, x, o we will put es. Instead of y we will put ies, and if there is vowel before y we will put just s. Now come to your copy and ready 2 new pages with me by drawing margin line and writing date. Like this. Now you will write topic, numbers, singular, plural. You will give 1 pencil gap here. You will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 here. And then you will write plural. Here are some words which are singulars. Jungle, jar, dish, place, body, candy, glass, drum, key. Now we will write plurals to these. Jungle, jungles, jar, jars. जंगल कहते हैं फॉरेस्ट को. जंगल, जंगल्स, जार, जार्स. डिश, डिशेस. डिश मीन बर्तन. डिश, डिशेस. प्लेस, जगह. प्लेस, प्लेसेस. जगह, जगहें. बॉडी, बॉडीज. लाइक अ पार्ट ऑफ, जैसे आपकी बॉडी के पार्ट्स हैं ना, बॉडी, बॉडीज. कैंडी, कैंडीज. ग्लास, ग्लासेस. होम, homes. Drum, drums. Key, keys. Like it is simple noun we will put just s. Simple noun we will put just s. sh we will put es. Simple noun we will put s. Y we will put ies. Y we will put ies. S we will put es. Simple noun we will put s. Simple noun we will put s. And y we will y before it is vowel before y, so we will put just s. Like this you have to do it in your copies. Neatly and tidy work. You have to do it very neatly and tidy. Now I will meet you inshallah in next lecture with some more tasks. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.